Hai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our math program. How are you guys doing? I really hope that you all doing great. So tonight we are going to discuss topic differentiation. But before that, I would like to wish to all Chinese students Happy Chinese New Year. Kong Si Wat Chai. I really hope that you celebrate in a safe and a blissful celebration. Okay, without further ado, are you ready? If yes, let's get started. Okay, for those who joining us right now, please drop a comment below. Okay, write down what's your name, which class are you from, and if you are from College Matriculation Negeri Sembilan, write down which lecturer are you studying with, or if you outside College Matriculation Negeri Sembilan, please tell us a bit about yourself. Okay. Don't forget to join our math Telegram group so that you will get the update about our future open lecture. Okay. And for your information as well, we also update the question beforehand. Before we running the YouTube live, usually we will upload the question. So maybe you can give an attempt before joining the live session. Okay? Okay, let's look who are joining with us tonight. We have Iwan, D1, P11. We have Khalida, hi Khalida. We have Ayuni, D2, P13. We have Alifa, Eliana. Halwa Sakina, hi Halwa Sakina. I haven't heard your name before. Which college are you from? Tell me about yourself a little bit. Okay, we have Najiha KS, Alia Isa, Lukman. Okay, Lukman is my student. Halimatun. We have Yuni, Muhammad Shafiq. Okay, don't forget to share our YouTube live so that more students can get the benefit out of it. Yeah. Okay. All right. Without further ado, let's look at the question. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, we are going to cover these two subtopics, which consists of simplifying the quotient and chain rule. Okay, I'm pretty sure that this 2-week lecture, you all have mastered. You have been doing a lot of exercises, consists of product rule, chain rule, and quotient rule. But then I find that some students having problem to simplify and to get the final answer correctly. So therefore, tonight we are going to discuss that kind of question until you get the final answer exactly. Okay? All right. So let's look at question 1. Okay, this type of question consists of quotient rule and a set function. Okay? So what you have to do first, okay, so usually we will change the set function into index form, yeah? Okay, so set is equals to 1 over 2. So we will write down x over 1 minus x to the power of 1 over 2. Okay? Okay, it's up to you whether you want to separate the set top and bottom, but I prefer to use the chain rule. Okay? And then you bring 1 over 2. Okay? X over 1 minus x. Okay, 1 over 2 minus 1, we get negative 1 over 2. And now we are going to differentiate the quotient rule. Okay? So we will write down d dx x over 1 minus x. Okay? So you know that a to the power of negative 1 is 1 over a. Therefore, a to the power of negative 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over set a. Okay, therefore, we're going to bring this x over 1 minus x. Mana? Nak kain juga. Okay, sekejap Okay. Alright, so we're going to continue. 1 over 2 x over 1 minus x third. Okay, and now we are going to differentiate the quotient rule. This function, yeah? Using quotient rule. Okay, so uv. Okay, I change the color. What's the formula? V u prime. Okay, let's make it thinner a little bit. Vu prime minus uv prime over v square. Okay, so now v, what is our v? This is our u and this is our v. Okay, so v, what is our v? V is 1 minus x and we differentiate x, we get 1. Okay, it's up to you whether you want to write it down. Okay, minus u and then v prime, 1 minus x, you differentiate, you get negative 1. Okay. Okay, we zoom out a little bit here. Alright, so we solve this. 1 over 2 set x, 1 minus x. Okay, so this 1 minus x minus, okay, minus we get plus 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 will give us 2. Okay, did I? Okay, 1 minus x minus 1, minus becoming plus. Okay, plus x. Yes, plus x. Okay, so negative x plus x. Okay, we get 0. Okay, so 1 over 2 set 1 minus set x. Okay, if you see now, I am separating the function there, set x, over 1 minus set x. Okay, so this is times 1. Okay, how are we going to modify this function? Okay, so this is equivalent to 1 over 2 set x. Okay, this is 1 over. Okay, how do you do for 1 over 2 over 3? What did we do if we get the fraction like that? Okay, it is basically 1 times 3 over 2. So same goes to this. We are going to modify 1 over 2, multiply with 1 minus set x over set x. Okay, so therefore it is equivalent to 1 minus set x over 2 set x. Okay, let me check the function. Oh, sorry. Okay, ada tak yang komen dekat situ? Madam buat apa? Okay, don't forget over with the v square. V square is basically 1 minus x square. So this is, we have 1 minus x square. So this is also, we have 1 minus x square. And here also we have 1 minus x square. Okay, don't forget the v square, yeah? Alright, so, okay, so if you can see now, okay, I am highlighting 1 minus x with 1 minus x. So basically we have a 1 over 2 multiply with 1 over 2a square. So what you're going to do there? You're going to simplify. So a square ni 2, okay? So this is equivalent to a square minus 1 over 2. 2 minus 1 over 2, we get a. This is a. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so this is basically 1. Okay, terus kita buatlah jawapannya sayang. Okay, 1 over 2 set x. Okay, so 2 minus 1. So basically 2 minus 2 over 2. So we get 4 minus 1. So 3 over 2. 1 minus x, 3 over 2. Okay, let's check the answer. 1 over, yes, correct. Okay, V square. Yeah, Alifa Aliana. Okay, very good. Okay, we have who else? Okay, answer 1 over 2 set x times 1 minus x to the power of 3 over 2. Okay. Okay, yes, you're right, Muhammad Shafiq. Okay, we have Nina D3P6. Okay, so clear? If clear, write down clear so that we can proceed to the next question. Okay. Okay, can? Okay, so I repeat again the formula for quotient rule. Don't forget the V square at the bottom, at the denominator. And then at this part here, set, we have 1 over fraction. So you have to modify, okay, so that it becoming multiply and you have to interchange the numerator and denominator, okay? Okay, Alia Isa can, Luqman can, Alifa Iliana clear, very good. Okay, therefore shall continue for the next question. Okay, so just now we have set function for the whole function here, but now we only have set on the numerator, okay, numerator, which means at the top, okay, looks simple, but we may do maybe a little error here and there, therefore we will do it together. Okay, so we have set t, okay, so now dy, okay, let's take the color, dy over dx is equals to, okay, this is our u, this is our v, so formula again. Formula vu prime minus uv prime over v square. Okay, what is our v? 1 plus t. What is our u? Okay, our u is set t now. So when we differentiate, t 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 to the front. 1 over 2. T 1 over 2 minus 1. So negative 1 over 2. Okay, minus with our u. Okay, let madam use a different color so it become clearer to you. Okay, set t. Okay, what is our v prime? So 1 plus t. We only differentiate the t, which is equivalent to 1 over with 1 plus t square. Okay. Alright. Yes. Okay. Dy dt, because we have the function t this time. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Alright. Next, what we're going to do is we expand. Okay, we expand the function. Okay, so this is basically t minus 1 over 2. Okay, again, t minus 1 over 2. This is basically 1 over set t. Agree? Agree? Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to expand this. 1 plus t. Okay, 1. How about if I write as this? 1 over 2 t at the bottom here. Okay, and then minus with a set t over 1 plus t square. Okay? Alright. Okay, now let's expand this together. Okay, we have 1 plus t over 2 set t. Okay, and then minus with set t over with, okay, it's up to you whether you want to do over again or you want to multiply, but make sure you have to interchange top and bottom. Okay, which one easier? You prefer yang mana? 1 plus t square. Okay, now this is over with 1. So we have to equalize the denominator. We have to find a common denominator, so which is multiply with 2 set t. Okay, 2 set t top and bottom. Okay, so now after multiplying top and bottom with 2 set t, what we'll have here is 1 plus t minus 2. Okay, set t times set t. So it becoming t. Okay, over with 2 set t. Okay, so now, okay, multiply with 1 over 1 plus t square. Okay, so far so good. Let me check. Okay, are we doing the right thing? Yes, 1 plus t minus 2t. Okay, yes, so far so good. All right. So now t minus 2t. Okay, we have minus t left. 1 minus t over, okay, over. So we just copy down everything here. 2 set t multiply with 1 plus t square. Okay? Alright? So it's either we leave it like this or you want to rationalize the set t. Okay? Or you may just leave it like this. Okay? So the answer is 1 minus t over 2 set t times 1 plus t square. Okay, clear? Okay, let me adjust a little bit for my mic. Okay, how is my audio now? Is it clear? Can I read the comment there? Okay, yes, Shafiq bin Muhammad Nordin. 1 minus T, 2 set T. Okay, very good. Sama. Shafiq bin Muhammad Nordin ni from which college? Ni lecturer ke student? Okay, hi. Hi Cikgu Yepi. Cikgu Yepi ada from KMP. Okay, we have Sufia clear. Okay, Sharifah Shahira clear. Okay, if clear, let's move on to the next question. Okay. So basically soalan tak susah pun. Soalan just maybe because it's involving a fraction. So it's involving two fractions. So you have to simplify lah. The denominator tu. Okay. So if just now we are dealing with a set, only one set, but this time we have two set. So the function x cubed minus 1 is nested under the another set x plus 1, x plus a function. Okay, so if you just leave this question as this, you will be having problem. But then if you change the set is equals to 1 over 2 and it will become easier for you. Okay? Alright. So always bear in mind that set x is equals to x 1 over 2. Okay? Alright. So let's do this. Okay. If just now we have t, so we write down dy over dt. But this time we have x, function x. So dy over dx as usual. Dy over dx equals to, okay, x plus x cubed minus 1 set, okay. This is 1 over 2. Okay. Padam sikit. Okay. So now chain rule, by using chain rule 1 over 2 to the front. X plus x cubed, okay. How about if I use different color here? X plus x cubed minus 1. Okay, now 1 over 2 minus 1. So it becoming negative 1 over 2. So 1 minus 1 over 2 will give us negative 1 over 2. And then don't forget, we are going to differentiate this purple function here later on. X cubed minus 1 here. Alright. Okay. So now we continue 1 over 2. Okay. A to the power of negative 1 over 2, we're going to write as 1 over set A. Okay. 1 over x plus x cubed minus 1 set. Okay, so now we have done the first part, the front part. Now we are going to differentiate the function here, the purple function here. So differentiate x plus x cubed minus 1 set. So differentiate will give us 1 plus 1 over 2 x cubed minus 1. Okay, again, this is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 minus 1 will give us negative 1 over 2. Okay, and we multiply with the function again. Now I buat warna hijau pula, d dx. Not now. Later. Okay, green. Okay, d dx. Okay, d dx. Now we are going to, ataupun kita terus differentiate pun boleh lah. Okay, this one. Okay, this function. Okay, 3x square. Okay. So let's check a little bit here. Yes. 1. Okay. Alright. So now 1 over 2 x plus x cubed minus 1. Okay, this one we have set here. It's a bit tedious. Ada set, banyak-banyak set tu. Okay. So now 1 plus 1 over 2 x cubed minus 1 set. Okay. And 3x square. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. So we're gonna, the step left is only we expand the 3x square. We multiply the 3x square with the purple function here. Okay, you just presented the function. So ataupun, okay, so we write down again 2 plus x cubed minus 1 set. Okay, and then we have another set outside here. And then we have, okay, 1 plus, so 3x square. Okay, sekejap. 1 plus 3x square, yes. Okay, so 1 plus 3x square over 2 x cubed minus 1. Okay. Not, sekejap. I adjust a little bit here. This one. Sekejap. Here. Ni purple ni dekat luar ni Okay. Yes, ada set dekat x cubed minus 1. Yes, I have added the set. Thank you, Luqman. Okay. So far okay? All good? So the final answer is 1 over 2 set x plus set x cubed minus 1 multiply with the function 1 plus 3x square over 2 set x cubed minus 1. Okay. Rajinnya type Encik Syafiq bin Muhammad Nordin. Tadi ada ke perkenalkan diri tadi? Cuba kita scroll sikit. Tak ada. Okay. Hi. Thank you for joining us. Okay. For all new, for those who just for those who is first time joining our math program, math YouTube live. Okay, thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much for joining. Maybe you can spread to your friends. Okay. Alright. Okay, if all good, we're gonna continue. Okay, we have another 4 to 5 questions left. Okay, so far all good? Okay, yes. Alright. Okay, let's look at, okay, now we have done set. Okay, I am no longer discussing with you set question anymore. Okay, so now we'll be focusing on different kind of function. Hai Safakri, wah ini Safakri ni cikgu apa? YouTubers cikgu YouTubers banyak keluar dekat TV Hi sir, boleh comment for future improvement after this session. I'll get back to you. Sir Fakri. Okay, madam, do we need to expand the expression, Shafiq? This one? You mean this one? No. Okay, you don't need to expand. Okay, you tak perlu expand pun because this is the simplest form dah no point you want to expand. Okay. Okay, alright, clear Shafiq? Okay, this is the final answer. You just leave it like this, okay? Okay, alright. If you expand and then there is another addition or subtraction, therefore you will simplify the final answer, then it's crucial lah for you to expand. But then if you do nothing about it, you just leave it. Okay. Alright, let's look at question 2. Okay, question 2 ni actually to do the quotient rule is not a problem. It's just that to factor out. A lot of my students asking, Madam, how did you get this such final answer? So we are going to focus on what's the factor that you are going to factor out. Yeah. Okay. So now let's look at question 2. This is actually the 4th question. Yeah. But different kind of function. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, Encik Mus. Hi, Encik Mus. Our ketua unit. Okay, thank you for joining. Okay, so now let's do this question. Okay, f prime x. Okay, this is your u, this is your v again. Vu prime minus uv prime over v square. I always write down the formula because sometimes I get stuck in the middle, so I can check back what function that I have is set in. Yeah. So yeah, let's do slowly but correctly. Okay, now v. Our v is x square plus 1. Okay, what is our u prime? So we are going to differentiate the u function here. Okay, so 3 to the front, x square minus 1. Okay. Okay. 3 to the front, x square minus 1, 3 minus 1, so becoming 2, and then you don't forget that you are going to differentiate the function inside here, yeah? So it becoming 2x, okay, 2x, yeah, okay, so now we minus with, okay, minus with u is x square minus 1 cube. Okay, what is our v prime? So 2x, okay, 2x over over v square. So x square plus 1 square. Alright. So now we are going to simplify. Okay, 3 times 2x is 6x. Okay, so this is the crucial part now. The crucial part now is to identify, is there any apple and apple? Orange and orange. Okay, you tell me, what is the same now? Apa yang sama? Okay, we found that this we have 2x, this we have 2x. So this 2x we have to factor out. Clear? Okay, and now we also have x square minus 1. And this one x square minus 1. So this function also we have to factor factor out. X square plus 1, ada kena buat apa-apa? We do nothing about it because it doesn't has common dekat dekat bahagian the second part, ya. So this pink and blue we are going to factor out. Okay, so now madam is going to factor out 2x. Okay, so 2x and okay, 2x lah. Dua-dua pun power dia 1. Okay, but now we have x square minus 1. Okay, so x square minus 1. This is the crucial part. Nak ambil apa? Ini kuasa 2. This is kuasa 3. Square and cube. So which one? You have to take the smallest, which is square. Okay, so you're done with that. And okay, we're gonna factor out this. Okay, so the remaining is 3x square plus 1. Okay, so since we have take this out, x square minus 1 square, and we also have taken this out to x, so we continue with minus with, okay. Since we take out square, so we have remaining 1. So x square minus 1 here. Baru bila kita expand to the power 1 dengan square, okay, baru kita dapat 3. Okay, so now 2x, yes, we have taken that out just now. Okay, so now we take the ruler over with x square plus 1 square. Okay, so now equal, okay, 2x, x square minus 1, we write it again. So this function we are going to simplify. Yeah? So 3x square, we 3, okay, how about I take the pink color as what I did earlier. 3x square plus 3 minus x square plus 1. Sayang, bracket jangan lupa. Bracket, so negative x square, negative becoming positive. Okay, over with. Okay, we take the ruler again. Okay, so now over with x square plus 1 square. Alright? So the crucial part tadi je sebenarnya. How are you going to factor out? Which are you going to factor out? This blue color and this pink color. 2x. Okay, if you done this correctly, then you have no problem of to continue the remaining steps. Okay, alright, so now equal with 2x x square minus 1 square. So now we are going to simplify 3x square minus x square, so becoming 2x square. Okay, 3 plus 1 x square plus 4. Right? 3 plus 1, 4. Yes. Okay, over with x square plus 1 square. Okay. Do you have to do anything else? Yes, because 2 and 4 can be factored out. Okay, let me highlight it for you. Okay, we have 2 and 4. We can take that out. Okay, the common factor, 2. Okay, so okay, I zoom in a little bit here. Alright, so equal with, so if we take this out too, okay, for example lah, I just tulis kat sini 2x square plus 2. Okay, so 2, this 2 gonna multiply with 2x, so it becoming 4x. Yes, so x square minus 1 square. Okay, so the pink color remaining here is x square plus 2 over last part sayang, last part. Mari kita tengok apa yang kita dapat final. Maybe you want to screenshot later on for your revision also can. Alright, x square plus 1 square. Okay, I think that's about it. Yes. Okay, so far so good. So far okay semua. Let's look at the comment. Hi Zulaika. Let me look at the comment here. Okay. Factor out to x. Yes, very good. Okay. Okay, so untuk Muhammad Syafiq kita bukan sahaja ada 2x, tadi 2 dengan 4 pun kita boleh factor out 2. Okay, okay, we can factor out until basically until all the function, the coefficient of x square tu becoming the simplest lah, 1. Like in my case, all the coefficient of x square becoming 1. Semuanya 1. Macam tadi ada 2 dengan 4, I factor out 2 kat depan. Okay. Alright. Hai Kak Nadia. Member apa ni? Pendidikan Canvas SV. Hai. Canvas SV. Ni nak belajar matematik pula ke? Okay. Alright. Let's look at my screen now. Okay, Madam tertarik with one of my students punya working. Dia dah buat panjang-panjang satu muka surat kan. And then she said that, Madam, I spent half day to solve this problem. Okay, why I didn't get same as you? I tengok first step je dah salah. Tengok ni. Boleh ke? Okay, perhatian everyone set x minus 2 is not equivalent to this. So you never do this. For example, you take you substitute value lah, 8 minus 2, you get what? Maybe I take 10. So okay, if you substitute the value, is not gonna give you the same answer lah. You check yourself. This is very wrong. Set A minus B is not equivalent to set A minus set B. Okay. Alright, so let's proceed to our question 3. Our question 3, dy over dx again, first derivative, and the question also asks you for the second derivative. Okay, so you make sure that you manage to get the first derivative correctly. Okay, so now we have dy over dx again. Dy over dx, so this is our u, this is our v, vu prime minus uv prime over v square. Okay, alright, so this is our u, this is our v. Okay, nanti Syafiq, jangan keluarkan jawapan dulu. Syafiq have shared his answer. Okay, but it's okay lah. Let's check whether you managed to get it correctly or not. If yes, congratulations for you. Okay, how about others? Did you manage to do this earlier? For my student especially, most of the question I have given to you beforehand. Ada tak? Dah give an attempt to try this question? Yes? Okay, all good. Okay. Alright, continue. dy over dx. Okay, we have v. V is x minus 2. Okay, and then u, you differentiate u is 2x. Okay, 2x minus with u. What is your u? X square. What is your v prime? So v prime is 1 over 2 x minus 2. So this is 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 minus 1, negative 1 over 2. And don't forget to differentiate here inside the function here. But then we get 1, so we'll leave it like that. Okay. So now we are going to over with. Okay, to over with x minus 2 set square. So agak-agak you lah, set dengan square becoming what? It becoming cancel out each other, becoming 1, right? So later on, the remaining function at the denominator is x minus 2, okay? Okay, let me have a break now. Sekejap. Okay, I just want to check whether x square. Okay, I didn't do anything yet, but
But it's okay lah. We just continue lah. And then you guys check lah. Okay. So now 2x. X minus 2. Okay. What you're going to do here is, yes, we just write it back. Okay. So this is basically x square over 2. 1 over x minus 2 set. So over with. Jauhnya dia scroll. Sekejap ya. Okay. Okay, over with x minus 2. Okay. So now, you seen that this is over 1. So you have to find the common denominator ni. We have to equalize the denominator. So we have to multiply with 2 set x minus 2. Okay, so 2x. Okay, 2x times 2. 2x times 2 becoming 4x. Okay, set x minus 2 with set x minus 2 becoming x minus 2. Okay, minus with x square over 2x minus 2. Sekarang mereka dah sama dah. Because we have multiply the denominator here. And then don't forget you have 1 over x minus 2 here. Sebenarnya dia over. But then over yang kedua tu I change multiply. And then I interchange top and bottom. So become clearer to me. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is I expand 4x square minus 8x minus x square over 2. Okay, tengok kesayangan semua. Mari tengok betul-betul. The function now is x minus 2 and x minus 2. But this one set, this one to the power of 1. So what you gonna do here? Kalau you ada ini dengan ini. So this is basically a1 over 2 plus 1. Right? Because hukum index, multiplication, you add the power. So it becoming a3 over 2. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is x minus 2, 3 over 2. And now, 4x square minus x square. So, this is 3x square minus 8 over 2x minus 2, 3 over 2. Okay, that's our final answer. Yay! Okay, Shafiq, Nordin managed to get 3x square minus 8x over 2x minus 2 to the power of 3 over 2. Yay! High five! Okay. I know, a satisfaction feeling when you manage to get the question correctly. Yes, 8x. Thank you, Emilia. Okay, I have add up 8x. Okay. 3x square minus 8x over 2x minus 2 to the power of 3 over 2. Okay. What I want to highlight here is, again, don't forget to multiply the function denominator ni. You have to equalize the denominator. Kena samakan penyebut. And then later on, you have to expand and then simplify until you manage to get the correct final answer lah. Okay? If yes, are you guys masih lagi bersemangat? Okay, if yes, masih lagi bersemangat, tolong komen. Yes, 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 we are energetic. Okay, by the way, I would like to thank all of you. Even though this is today is a public holiday, supposedly you relaxing with your friends, watching YouTube, watching Netflix or whatever movie that you like, that you love. But then some of you still joining our math program, our YouTube live. Thank you so much. And I doakan, Cikgu Wan doakan, Madam Wan doakan that you will succeed. You will success in flying colours. You will answer correctly dan menjadi manusia yang cemerlang dunia dan akhirat. Okay. Okay, Khadijah, yes. Alia, yes. Luqman, yes. Okay. Alright. So, let's continue. Okay, our question 4. Okay, so question 4 ni, the function is given, differentiate x square, x plus 1 is equals to fx. And then find the values to x plus fx equals to 0. So basically, we have to find fx lah. We have to find fx. How are we going to find the fx? We are going to differentiate first. And then by looking at the function, it's not hard pun. It is not a rational function. It's just a function that you can expand and then you can straight away differentiate, find the derivative of the function. Okay, so yeah, let's do this. Okay, d dx. Okay, how about we write down? Okay, jangan keliru biasa bila kita differentiate kita ada f prime x kan? Kan? We get f prime x, but then this one dia dah kata dah differentiate dapat fx. So we just follow. We just follow. So differentiate. Okay, this one is too long. Okay, I do it neatly. Okay, now we are going to expand. Expand, we get x cubed plus x square. So this will give us 3x squared plus 2x. Dah. That is our fx. Okay, this is also our fx. Okay, so now we are going to substitute to the function here. So 2x plus fx, which is 3x squared plus 2x equals to 0. And now 3x squared plus 4x equals to 0. And x, we factor out, we get 3x plus 4. Okay, so now x is possibly 0 or x is possibly negative 4 over 3. Hi Madam Shakira. Hi. Tak ada live YouTube ke malam ni? Oh, tadi second derivative tak habis Allahu Akbar. Thank you Lokman. Okay, tak apa. Madam habiskan dulu question 4 ni Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah, dah. Hi, Syak. Okay. So now we are going to finish this question first before we get back to the previous question where I did not yet find the second derivative. Okay, proceed to second order differentiation. Yes, later. Okay, alright. So now 2x plus, what is our f? Okay, dah. Okay, so find the values. This is our final answer lah. Oh, dah siap dah tadi. Alright, all good. Okay, let's move on to the previous question. Mari. Previous question. Okay, so I buat dekat mana Mari madam buat kat sebelah sini lah. Okay. Okay, let's do the second derivative. Sayang lengan dulu. Second derivative. Okay. Let's do this together with me. Okay, everyone? Okay. Let's do this. D square y over dx square equal. Okay, so this is our u. This is our v. Okay, for the formula vu prime minus uv prime over v square. Okay, so don't forget the formula there. Okay, so what is our v? Okay, call our v. Our v is 2x minus 2, 3 over 2. Okay, now what is our u? Our u is 6x. U prime, u prime. So straight away, 6x. Okay, how? What if I zoom out? Okay, so tengok sini je semua. Mari kita tengok sini This is our function second derivative. We are going to focus on that. Okay, so now we continue. Where did I stop just now? Okay, u prime 3 over 2. Okay, u prime is 6x minus 8. Yes. Okay, minus with u. What is our u? Okay, our u is, okay, we use different color here. Okay, u is 3x square minus 8x. Okay, now v is 3 over 2. 3 over 2 times 2. X minus 2. X minus 2. Don't forget 3 over 2 minus with 1 and 3 over 2 minus 1. So this is basically 3 over 2 minus 2 over 2, which is 1 over 2. Okay. Alright. So now over with v square. Okay, what is our v square? So our v square is 2x minus 2, 3 over 2 square. So most students dia terus cancel. Tak boleh Don't forget your 2 is also square, so you don't cancel like that. You have to square first the constant here 2 square 4, then only you can cancel at the denominator tu. Okay, so now let me check all good, whether it's all good. Okay. Okay, so far seems that all is well. Okay, so this is the crucial part now. Apa yang sama right here? Yes, we have x minus 2. Okay, we have x minus 2. Therefore, we have to take that out. We have to take that out. Okay. And we also have 2. 2 pun common juga. 2 pun common juga. Boleh bawa keluar. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let me ask you. Did we have 6x minus 8? At the second term here, tak ada. So that's why we leave it like that. So when you factor, it doesn't have to be 2 function that you factor. Maybe only one of the function. Macam dalam case ni, ada x minus 2 to the power of 3 over 2 sahaja yang boleh di-factor. Okay, so 2, x minus 2, 3 over 2, factor out. Okay, factor out. Okay, sorry. Okay, again, this is 3 over 2, this is 1 over 2. So the smallest power is 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 je yang boleh you keluarkan. Alah, macam dululah dekat sekolah, you have this is h square, this is h cube. Apa yang korang boleh keluarkan? Korang boleh keluarkan h square saja, right? Tak boleh, h cube tak boleh sebab ini tak cukup. So the same thing we gonna do here, 1 over 2 dengan 3 over 2, setengah lagi kecil daripada 1.5 kan? Okay, so this is 1 over 2. Alright, so now 6x minus 8. Okay, we have take that out. Okay, minus with. Okay, minus with 2 and 2 cancel. Oh no, bukan cancel. Tadi 2 tadi yang bawa keluar tadi. Sorry. So kita masih 3 over 2. So we write it everything here. 8x 3 over 2. That's it. Okay, 3 over 2. Sekejap. Kita ada 2 lagi ya. Oh, okay. Okay, in that case, if we cancel out 2, we don't take out 2. I cancel. So if I cancel, I don't have the common 2 here. Okay, so 2 ni kena keluarkan. Sekejap, ambil green color 2. Okay, so this 1 year also kena ada 2 lah. Sorry you all, it's a bit messy here. I write it again. X minus 2, 1 over 2. Okay, big bracket here. And then remaining 2. And then 6x minus 8. Macam tu. Rasa better kot macam tu. Okay. So far okay. 2 keluarkan 1 over 2. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, over where is our ruler? Okay, we take our ruler here. Alright. Okay, so 2 square. 2 square, 4. Okay, 2 square, 4. Then only we can cancel out 2 and 2. So x minus 2 to the power of 3. Okay. Alright, so now we are going to expand. Okay, madam salah ni Okay. Alright, sekejap. Okay, tadi 2 dekat luar. And then we only take out 1 over 2. So the remaining left is 3 over 2 is equivalent to apa? Is equivalent to 1 over 2, right? So we have take out 1 over 2. We have remaining x minus 2. Astaghfirullahalazim. Okay, sekarang barulah betul. Okay. Hi Cikgu Rizwan. Hi. It's getting complicated over here. Too much function. But then I really hope that the students that taking this subject, okay, we understand what we are sharing now. Proceed second order. Yes, okay. Alright. So, let's continue. Okay, x minus 2, 1 over 2. Okay, so now 6x times x. So, 6x square times 2, 12x square. Things getting messy over here, but we have to proceed. 12x square minus this dengan this. Negative 8x times 2, negative 16x. Okay, minus with. Okay, this one pula dekat bawah. This one. So we get a 6x square again. 6x square, but we 6. Okay. 6x square times 2. Okay, ataupun kita kembang je. 2 ni kita biar je lah kat luar dulu. Kenapalah madam cek masalah kan. Okay, kita expand dulu. 6x square minus 8x minus 12x. Kan senang. 12x plus 16. Okay, plus 16. Okay. Tutup dia. And then minus with. Okay, this one we continue. Okay, 2 ni ada lagi ke? 2 ni dah tak ada dah kan tadi sayang kan? Tinggal 3 je kan? Okay. So it become easier lah. Okay, 3 times 3, we get 9x square. Okay, minus become positive. Okay, so 24x. Okay, we tutup, we close the bracket. Jangan begitu. Okay, yeah, there you go. Kenapa ya sayang dia macam ni? Okay. Alright. I don't know what's happening. Okay, sekejap everyone. Okay, let's close the ruler back lah. I don't know why is it like that. Jangan. Sila bagi kerjasama. Oh no. Pembaris memang tak boleh lah you. But I am not going to. Okay. Finally. Okay. So now 4x minus 2 cube. Okay. So x minus 2 square. 1 over 2. And then this one. Okay. You buat lah. I dah buat. I dapat 3x square minus 16x plus 32. Over with, you try, you give an attempt, you try, you get 4x minus 2 cube. Okay. Okay, boleh? Okay, cuba nanti sampai dapat macam ni. So, apa yang kita buat adalah 6 times 2, 12. 12 minus 9, we get 3. This is negative 20 times 2, negative 40. And then negative 40 plus 24 dapat 16. That's seterusnya. Okay. Nothing unusual pun. Semuanya just a mathematical sahaja. Okay. Highlight Cikgu Ridwan. Kita punya MIE expert. Hi Cikgu Ridwan. Cikgu Ridwan pun Cikgu Mat juga. Okay. Hi Nabila. Nabila, which are you from Nabila? Which Nabila ni? Okay, hi Jiziang. Okay. So we continue. Minta kuat sikit aircon. Okay. Okay, so ada something yang we have to do. There is something we have to do. Please comment. All the students, please comment. What we gonna have for the last step. What we gonna do at the last step? We've seen that this is x minus 2, this is x minus 2. So what we gonna do? We have to simplify lagi. So apa yang terjadi dekat sini? This is 8. Oh, besarnya mata dia. Sekejap. We thicken that. Okay. So we have A 1 over 2 dengan 3. So I nak bawa 1 over 2 ni yang dekat bawah. So A 3 minus 1 over 2. So this is basically 3 times 2, 6. 6 minus 1, 5 over 2. Okay? Then that's why we will get x minus 2 1 over 2. Okay, this is we just leave that like that. Okay, so tadi ini dah cancel ini dengan ini. Tadi 3 minus 1 over 2 we get 5 over 2. So this is 4x minus 2 5 over 2. Okay, all good. Yes, Shafiq, simplify x minus 2. Emilia, very good. Please highlight their comment. Okay, simplify. Thank you, Emilia Izzatul. Okay, Emilia, where are you from? Nama-nama yang rare and Madam tak pernah, jarang-jarang dengar. Okay, I will shout out lah. Okay, thank you. Alifah, faham. Alhamdulillah. How about the rest? D2P12, D2P13, D3P6 and all other matriculation students. So far, adakah perbincangan kita malam ini membantu kefahaman you all? Okay? Okay, let me ask you once again. Did our discussion tonight bring something to you? Or maybe bring a lot of things to you? Your understanding becoming clearer. I really hope that happen, yeah. Because next week, okay, Luqman, ni penjarakan sosial, make sure Luqman, Syamin, Komar dengan Iwan faham. Alhamdulillah. Cikgu doakan you all semua diterangi hati, diterangi hati. Okay, sihat walafiat. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Okay, Aini Khadijah. Alright. Okay. So lepas ni kalau kena buat second derivative, yes, memang it is a bit tedious. Kalau you tengok madam buat pun ada tertinggal sini sikit. Bukanlah tertinggal, but then like we have to expand correctly lah. Maybe I'll be taking some time lah to finish this kind of question. So same goes to you. So buat slowly, tapi jangan takut. It's only when the question asks you for second derivative, basically you just differentiate kali kedua. You just differentiate twice. Okay? Alright. So let's continue. Finally we are coming to an end. This is our final question. Last kali. Okay. So basically, let's we discuss lah a little bit for DM025. So you have done limit, chapter limit. Okay, what more you want to ask for? I have posted all the subtopic for limit. Limit. Finding limit for rational function, finding limit using factorization, conjugate, apa semua. So chapter 1 done. And then chapter 2 now we can't end. Kita dah nak habis dah chapter 2. Not much pun differentiation ni. In future at SM015 for PST later on, you akan jumpa differentiation yang lebih mencabar. But this time for second chapter, differentiation only involving the basic rules and the second derivative. And the third chapter. Who knows the third chapter apa? Siapa tahu the third chapter kita belajar apa? Tengok first comment. Okay, first comment I bagi ampau RM10. The third chapter. What is our third chapter? Please comment. I want to look at the first first person that answer my question, what is the third chapter that we are going to learn at DM025? The first one. Madam bagi angpau. Share your account number, I bagi RM10. Tak salah kan bagi angpau kan? Okay, what is the third chapter? Comment. What are we going to study next week? Kata flip classroom. Yes, Nur Anissa. Nur Anissa, yay! You are right. Differentiating exponential function and trigonometric function. You are right. Okay, Nur Anissa, which college are you from? Siap, log and trigo. Yes. Nur Anissa, please PM me. I am the admin of the Telegram Math group. Okay, you message me. I am Nur Anissa. I am the first one answering the chapter 3 question that we will learn on the next topic. Okay, I bagi you angpau RM10. Walaupun sikit tapi sebab dia dari madam besar nilainya. InsyaAllah berkat. Okay, question 4. Luqman, question 4. Tadi dah Luqman, question 4. Luqman, we have done question 4 just now. We have done question 4. Okay. There, question 4 for you, Luqman. Okay. So now, let's look at question 5. Okay, given the function fx equals to px squared minus 5x. Plus 1 over x. Okay, f prime x is itu. And then f double prime is itu. Dia sukalah. Instead of they asking you what is the first derivative, what is the second derivative. Now they given to you first derivative is this. Second derivative is this. So what is the unknown? So it's working backward lah. Okay. Okay, Luqman, madam dah jawab question 4. Okay, kita unhide dia punya komen. Luqman. Okay, Nur Anissa, please, don't forget. Okay, yes, question 5, do comparison. You are very right. You are very right. But then before you are able to do the comparison, of course, you have to differentiate correctly lah. Okay. So maybe this time you are given simpler function. Mungkin in future you dapat rational function ke, quotient rule, like the function that quotient rule is needed to solve that question, that particular question. So you have to just give it a try. Dapatkan the first derivative yang betul and then compare the same thing. But tonight I am discussing simpler example which consists of polynomials sebenarnya. Polynomial sahaja. Okay, so now let's do this. F prime x equals to, okay, 2 to the front, 2px minus 5. Okay, this is x to the power of negative 1, negative. Okay, 1, okay, negative 1, x minus 2. Okay, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 lah. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, sorry. Okay, this is also 2px minus 5, 1 over x square. Dah sampai takat ni, semua orang hukum indeks sepatutnya dah expert dah. Nampak je ni dia adalah ax square. Okay, nampak je x minus 1, it is 1 over x. Nampak je x to the power of negative 2, it is 1 over x to the power of 2. Okay? Alright. So this, okay, so now we are comparing with the function given to us here. F prime x. Okay, I tulis di sebelah-sebelah. 6x minus q minus 1 over x square. So we compare one by one. This equals to this. Settle. Okay. But this one. Okay. But this one negative 5 negative q. So since negative, dua-dua pun negative. So it becoming q equals to 5. Right? Is everyone agree with me? Yeah. Okay. And then we have 2px equals to 6x. So you can compare 2p equals to 6 lah. Okay. So 2p equals to 6. So p equals to 3. So Killing two birds with one stone. Terus dapat dua nilai. Okay, only remaining, we are going to find R. Okay, so now in order to do that, we have to do second derivative because the R is at the second derivative. So, let's do here. Okay, rotate. Okay. Kenapa sampai soalan pun dia ni? Alright. Okay, last one. Kenapa dia tak nak pergi? Okay, my laptop hang pula. Dan nak habis pula dia tidak memberikan kerjasama. Okay, it's okay. Okay. Alright, so f double prime x. So we are going to do the second derivative. So 6x differentiate, we get 6. And then q is a constant. Okay, q is a constant, which is q tadi ni. Okay, why not kita tulis semula lah. F x equals to 6x minus 5 minus 1 over x square. Okay. And then now f double prime x equals to 6. Okay, this is a constant, so 0. This is equivalent to x minus 2, right? Okay, this is equivalent to, so negative, negative, positive. Positive, x minus 2 minus 1. Okay, so this is 6 plus x minus 3. So this is 6 plus 1 over x cubed. Okay, so we compare with this f double prime. F double prime x equals to 6 plus r over x cubed. So basically r is 1. R is, sorry, kenapa 2? Alamak, madam terbawa ini je, tertinggal negatif 2 kat sini. Okay. Alright, negatif 2. Negatif 2 here. Okay, padam semula. Boy. Syok betul Okay. So, saya ulang lagi sekali. Negative, this is negative 1 over x square. So, negative 2 to the front plus 2. X negative 2 minus 1. So, 2 x negative 3, so 2 over x cube. Now barulah kita compare. So r equals to 2. Okay. Okay. By completing this last question, meaning that our math session is ending. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Aira, Tirah D2P12. Okay, so please drop the comment. Okay, how you guys feeling? Are you ready for the next chapter? Are you ready for the next chapter? Okay, don't forget to share the Telegram Math group. Okay, we are going to continue. I will try as much as I can to do the live math session every Friday at 9 p.m. Last time we started at 8:30, but then now maghrib pun dah lambat, so we postpone a little bit lah, half an hour, so that you are ready. Okay, thank you for joining for this evening. If you have friend who couldn't make it, it is okay because you can still watch the replay later. Later, right after I end the session, you can straight away tengok YouTube live. At my YouTube channel, Cikgu Wan. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, now, like and subscribe. Okay, till then, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'll see you next week. Bye. Okay, bye. Happy Chinese New Year. Have a long weekend. Have a great day. Bye. I'm in your atmosphere. I like the view of you.
straight.